Hey, what's up guys? Kevin, the Tech Ninja here, and the title of the video says it all. We're gonna talk about the top apps to use for new parents. And as a tech person, I wanted to find apps and things and technology to make this whole parenting thing a whole lot easier. Also, if you don't know who I am, I'm a guy that makes technology videos. This isn't a parenting channel, but I do make tech videos, anything that incorporates in my life, my baby included. So make sure you hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and enjoy the show. The very first application I would say was the most important for the first 2 weeks, and this application is called Baby Manager. So Baby Manager helped us as far as tracking feedings, diaper changes, and also when he was taking vitamin D drops. This lets us track how long everything occurred for. So we can track how long he was feeding for, what type of diaper, was it, pee or poop? And this was good for us because when you go to the doctor, they ask these questions, and when you're sleep deprived or you don't know what the heck you're doing, it's hard to know these things, or it's hard to keep up with a little piece of paper. So what the app did allowed us to go into there, add in the feedings, add in the changings, and it actually told us when to give him his vitamin D little droplets. So that was really easy and very convenient for us. So it works with Apple and Android, but it is really convenient while she's feeding. She can just tell me, hey, put it in that I'm feeding right now, and then I could just go ahead and do it in the app, and it pops right up on her app. But overall, I would say the first month of my son's life, this was very important because we needed to track these things. We need to track sleep and monitor usage. So yeah, it's a free app. There is a paid version that allows you to get more history. Baby Manager, check it out. Link is down below. The next app we used is YouTube. I know YouTube, whoa, great list, Kevin, but it's actually a very specific video we used on YouTube. Stopped our baby from crying a lot. So this video is like hypnotizing. It's a baby sensory video. It's a combination of music, black and white visuals, and red colors. Now, since babies can't see color yet, black and white contrasty objects really helps them to focus on it. And if you look at this video here, he's like focusing on this really hard. He looks really hard at it, which kind of puts him in this trance, and he sort of forgets why he's crying in the first place. So it's a 46-minute video, so you can kind of put it on and they sort of fall asleep to it. It has helped him stop crying. Obviously, if he's hungry or has a diaper, then yeah, he's gonna be crying. But if he's just crying for no reason, just put this video on and sort of let him focus on it, or let her focus on it, and it's helped us out a lot, and it saved us many rough nights of crying. This next application is iOS only, but there are other ones out there for Android, and this is the best app that I found to do this. This application is called Adorable. And Adorable is just a simple graphics app, but within this graphics app, it has these templates and it has stickers for milestones. So say like, oh, first bath, first smiley face, I'm starting to walk, and things like that. So this application is just really fun to use. It's extremely easy to use, has really nice stickers. They're clean, has a real modernistic look, and it's something that a person who is a graphical person or a non-graphical person can pick up and just use because it's very easy to use. The application is free, but if you do want all the stickers, around $5, you unlock all the stickers. But the free version is just enough to kind of get your feet wet, and you can determine if you like it or not. So Adorable app. Like I said, there's alternates out there for Android and other OSs, but for the iPad, it was really nice and super simple to use. As a parent, I didn't know how many diapers I would need, and I didn't know the cost of diapers, and it starts to rack up, especially in the first early months. Going through 12 diapers a day becomes very expensive. So if you buy Pampers, this will be really nice for you. You just scan the code inside the box, and then from there you get rewards, and you can cash in the rewards for like gift cards and other diapers and stuff like that. I mean, you're gonna buy the diapers anyways, might as well get rewards for it. No catch, no nothing. It just encourages you to buy Pampers. So if you buy Pampers, use the rewards, you're good to go. Also, to maximize savings, use Slick Deals. Not sure if you guys heard of that, but it's a website, it's a forum that talks about deals. A lot of places run deals on diapers, and they're aggressive deals where you can quote unquote stock up. So you can buy, like, let's say you're in size 1, you can buy size 3s or size 4s ahead of time if they come on sale. Regular diapers are around 25 cents a diaper. I've got diapers down to about 11 cents a diaper for some premium diapers. So go to Slick Deals website. There's an app too. Sign up, make an alert. If you make an alert and type in diapers, anytime a post with diapers comes, you'll get notified and you can see what it is. So Costco, they have a lot of deals. Walmart, Meijer, and Amazon, tons of deals. So you just get the best deals, and if you can, stock up ahead of time because they're gonna eventually get to these sizes, and buy what you need and just be prepared for it and get them on a discount. So the first thing we bought is called the Outlet, and I will say it has been amazing for us. So babies sleep a lot and they can sleep extremely still when they're in that really deep sleep. And for new paranoid parents, you just are always scared. You don't know what to do because they're sleeping, and you just, a lot of people touch them and kind of shake them to make sure they kind of move, and are they breathing? It's just, a lot of that stuff is kind of scary. The Outlet is like a little sock, and it goes on their foot, and it gives their heart rate and their oxygen level right to your app. And even better, it has a hardware base that sort of sits anywhere you want in the house within 30 feet of the sock, and it glows green if everything's okay. If there's an issue with the sock, there's a yellow, and if there's a bigger issue breathing or what have you, it goes red, and it makes sounds. So you know what's going on at all times, and it just helps us sleep, because when he's sleeping for like 2 hours, we're like, okay, what's going on? And I used to like touch him to make sure he's doing that. I put my finger under his nose to make sure he's breathing. The Outlet always lets me know that everything's okay. Oxygen levels look good. Heart rate looks good. They also have a camera coming out soon. There's a $50 off coupon. If you have the sock, you can put in a code and get the camera $50 off. It is expensive, but they do work with FSAs and HSAs, benefits if you have that with your insurance plan. So it is $299 for the sock, brand new, but secondhand market, they're around $200. So if you don't mind buying secondhand, I mean, you can wash anything and just buy the one secondhand for $200. I do that. It helps us sleep, and anything to get more sleep is worth it to me. The last object here is probably the most superfluous thing that we've bought, and all old school parents look at it as like, wow, I wish we had something like that. This is the Mama Root. It's like a baby swing on steroids. It has 5 different motions. So there's a motion that simulates a car ride. It has variable speed. You can also control all this via an app. So when you have a newborn like me, these seats are they dip kind of low, so you get the insert, it raises them up a little bit. So the Mama Root also tilts, so if your baby likes to lay down or likes to sit up, it has the ability to adjust that too on the back. Anyways guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. Just wanted to make a video to share with you the apps that I've used and the tools that I use to make this parenting thing a little bit easier for us. Your miles may vary, every child is completely different, and that's just what we do. So anyways guys, if you like my channel, you like my videos, first time watching me, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and drop a comment down below, especially if you have a child, and let me know if any of these apps worked out for you. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.